Peter Chow here. Didn't I not tell you that Justin Bieber cannot sing? This past Sunday on the VMAs, Justin Bieber was caught lip syncing. Why are you lip syncing? You have a sore throat from sucking too much dick? I know you're hitting puberty and your balls are dropping, but that does not give you an excuse not to sing. You have to sing. You are a singer. Justin Bieber reminds me of a 16-year-old lesbian. He could be Ellen DeGeneres' younger 16-year-old lesbian cousin. That's a female lesbian. Otherwise, he would just be gay, but he doesn't even look like a man. He looks like a woman lesbian. You give lesbians a bad name. Lesbians are more manly than you. Baby, 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 oh. How hard is that? You're saying the same fucking word 3 times in a row for the fucking entire song. You know you love me, I know you care. Just shout whenever, but I'll be there. You are my love, you are my heart, and we will never, never, ever be apart. How fucking hot is that? If Peter Chow can sing it, why can't you? First of all, I hear that you are using backup singers now, covering up the fact that you cannot hit those notes anymore. I don't blame you. Every boy has his balls dropped when he turns 13 years old. Because I used to be the king of Chinese karaoke. So if you cannot make those high notes anymore, use la-di-da. With la-di-da, you can sing anything. All you have to do is sing into the iPhone and it auto-tune right for you. Here, check this out. Baby, 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 oh. La-di-da definitely works because I use it to serenade my mother beach all the time. Justin Bieber is beating Peter Chow on YouTube. You're at the top right now and you still need to be #1 in Canada for YouTube? How greedy. You don't need the YouTube anymore. I should be #1. So think about the unfortunate. It's like helping poor people. Everybody who hates Justin Bieber should just subscribe to Peter Chow. I'm modest, handsome, good looking, funny, king of YouTube. I'm the best person in the whole world. And you know what? I'm modest. So tell me what you guys think about Justin Bieber in the comment section below. If you had to ask Peter Chow what I think about Justin Bieber, I would tell you one thing. Fuck Justin Bieber. Chow sai, motherfucker. And fuck you, Justin Bieber.